Hello students, welcome back. Now today we will see question number 5 of exercise 11.2 class 7th maths. Okay, so let's begin. As per the question, parallelogram is given to us. Okay, so the question is PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height of Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to PS. So if you see this figure, parallelogram is given to us PQRS. Okay, now QM is the height. This is the height. Height is always straight. Okay, so this is the height. It is 90 degree perpendicular. So this is the height and it falls on this side. So this is the baseline. Okay, so it falls on SR and SR is given to us. If SR is 12 centimeter and QM is 7.6 centimeter, then find. What we have to find? First is area of this parallelogram PQRS. Next is QN. We have to find QN if PS is given 8 centimeter. So first of all, let us understand the question. Now in this question, two heights are given to us. This is one height QN, this is another height QM. Okay, so this height QN falls on this baseline PS. So this is the height and this is the base. And this height QM falls on this baseline. So this is the height and this is the base. So there are two heights given in this question. So with the help of that, we can find the area of parallelogram. So first of all, what is the formula for area of parallelogram PQRS? The formula is base into height. We know that, we have seen in previous video also. So base into height. So when we are talking about base and height, so both things should be given. So here height is given 7.6 centimeter. Also this base SR is given to us. See, it is given 12 centimeter. So we can use this part, this base and this height and this base we can use. Okay, we cannot use this part because here what happens is the height and base, this part it is not given. Okay, QM is given to us and SR is given to us. So जो दिया है वही दोनों हम use करेंगे. So 12 centimeter into 7.6 centimeter. If you multiply this both, the answer will be 91.2 centimeter square. So this will be the area of parallelogram PQRS. Now, next they are asking, we have to find QN. So QN is what? This we have to find if PS is given to us. If PS is 8 centimeter. Now, अगर PS आपको 8 centimeter दिया है, so QN आपको क्या मिलेगा? Very simple, we already know the area, we have already done it. So now we will use this part, what we have calculated here, A part. Now we know that again area of parallelogram PQRS is, so area of parallelogram is base into height. Already area we have calculated in the previous A part. Okay, so using that we can easily get the missing part, that is QN. So area equal to base into height. Now area already हमने ढूंढ लिया है, that is 91.2. Base PS is not given to us and PS is given to us and QN we have to calculate. So PS is given 8 and QN we will find out. So 91.2 equal to 8 into QN. Now we will divide this by 8. So our QN will be 91.2 divided by 8. So your answer will be 11.4. So if you divide this, your answer will be 11.4. So this is the required question QN. So QN क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 11.4. So this will be our final answer. So this was question number 5.